Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a tutorial where I'm going to show you how to email your students using Google Classroom. You start at the beginning page here, and then you can click on People, and here you have your list of students right there. And then you can go through and select all of them, hitting that button right there, and then hit Action and Email. It brings you to your Gmail, and here's the list of students that you are going to go through and email right there. And we're going to go ahead and click out of that. Now if you want to just email one or two students at a time, you go through and select on them, and you can click email right there, and it brings you up right there again to what you can go through and send two students an email and not the whole group. Get rid of that again. And also, if you just wanted to email one of them, it gives you the option of doing that right on over here. Alright, well, thank you very much. I hope you learned how to email your students using Google Classroom. Thank you very much.